Here is a very quick explanation of the key elements of the automated online sales system in a little more detail, before I get into the specifics and our 9 action steps. People. You need to think about who your audience is. What subject will your website be about? Your industry niche. Is there a large group of people interested who will pay money for your product? One common factor about products or services is that they solve a problem or need for your customers. Your job is to identify this problem or need and offer a solution, your product/service. When you have decided, after carrying out the necessary research, you then have to contact this group, traffic, and guide them to your first page, landing page or opt-in page. Landing or opt-in page. This is the first contact you will have with your prospective customer. You have a limited time to grab their attention. One way is to offer them some useful and/or valuable information in the form of a free gift. This is an incentive for them to give you their email address. This is important. Give a free gift. This should be about the same subject matter as your product or service. It should also offer the opportunity of your prospective customer getting some immediate results towards the solution they are seeking. Within the free gift, you will also include an explanation about how your product or service solves their problem or need, and links to the sales page. Your free gift can be delivered instantly on a thank you page or automated email. Register into your mailing list. Once you get them to enter their details into the opt-in form, you will have in place an automated system that will deliver emails with additional useful information, an autoresponder, and contain calls to action to encourage them to visit your sales page and check out your offer. Sales page. This will explain how your product or service offers benefits to your customer. You must create this to explain. W-I-I-F-M. What is in it for me? You must look at your product or service entirely through the eyes of your customer to understand how to communicate with them. Don't just talk about how good you are. Remember, people will only buy a benefit to themselves. The product, or access to your service, will be immediate if it is digital, or you will give instructions on the next steps by an automated email, if it is a physical product or offline service. Payment. You will need to have a method of collecting online payments in place, such as PayPal, or a merchant account from your bank. Being paid in advance is a really good benefit if you're using online techniques. In your action plan, I go into more detail on each step. They are titled action steps because I would like you to take action on each one. If you follow the instructions and take the suggested actions as you go along, you will get much more out of this information, and in the process you will have put together most of the actual system at the same time. Of course, if you need any help, we are always here for you. Contact us on ONLINESUCCESS@carlhenryglobal.com with questions or to request any of our services.